If you want to make money today on Mother's Day, I've got you. These are real things you can do right now from your home or in your own neighborhood to put cash in your pocket before the day ends. I used to be broke on the holidays and I'd watch everybody else celebrate, but not anymore. And if you stay with me, I'm going to show you exactly how you can flip that today. I have some exact ways, and they're really fun actually, exact ways you can make money today on Mother's Day. And before you say, I can't make money on Mother's Day, how many ads have you seen for Mother's Day? All the stores are doing it. Everyone's doing it. Why can't you? You're going to help people today. Reframe it from selling to helping. Now, the number one is we're going to get right into it so you can get started immediately. The number one is you can be a last minute errand runner. The people out there are looking for people. They have last minute gifts they need to pick up. They have flowers they want to pick up. Why let that just go to someone else? You can put it out there that you're willing to make some deliveries, help people out, set up things for different parties they may be having, or any kind of errand that is needed by someone. You can charge 10, 20, 30, $50 or even more and do that with a few people. And it's just some extra money. The second one is you can do family photos. So when I had my mom out like a year and a half ago, I flew her out. I flew my brother and my sister-in-law out. I flew them to LA and we went to a football game. And when we went to the football game, I surprised them because I had somebody meet us at the football game on the outside with a professional camera. And they took photos of us. So they got in that same day and we took photos and we have those memories to last a lifetime. And yes, we could have taken our phone and done selfies, but this was a really cool like photo shoot in the moment. And I think I spent $300 on that. So imagine you offer this and you say, look, I'm going to take my phone, I'm going to take my camera, whatever kind of camera you have, and I'm going to take pictures of you and your family before you go out to lunch, before you go out to dinner, while you're outside your home, any of that type of thing, especially if it's outdoors and it's a nice day. You can go to the lake, you can meet somewhere to do it. And that'll be those memories. And you spend maybe 30 minutes with them and then you deliver some photographs for them. And you can do this last minute because it's a great gift idea for the person who doesn't know what to get their mom. The next thing you can do is you can edit pictures. So let's say you don't do all of that, but you say instead, if you have any photos, you can just scan them for me or take a picture of them. I'm going to go into Canva. I'm going to go into Photoshop. I'm going to create these beautiful restorations of your photographs and put them into kind of a cool format for you for people who don't necessarily know how to do that or have the time to do it. Now, don't go anywhere because in addition to having several more ideas for you that are free ideas that I'm giving you right now, I'm also going to give an idea or two for those of you who are mothers. And yes, of course, if you're a mother, you might be wanting to chill today, but there's still like a couple of little ideas for you. Okay, the next one is you can make a custom Mother's Day video message. So you can say, we did this for my mom's birthday, not Mother's Day, but we got her grandchildren to all film themselves saying something that they adore about her. And they each sent in their videos to one person and one person edited. And then we did this, I think my brother did it. I think he was the one who edited it. But you could be that person. You could say, look, go to someone in the family or when you're promoting it, you can say, send me those videos, get them to me by 3 o'clock today, get them to me by 5 p.m., whatever it is. And of course, this only counts if you're seeing this in time and if the time is right for you and your location. But you can say, get them to me. I will create a really nice package for you. There will be music in the background. You can post it. The music will be royalty free. You can post it online and I'll get that to you. Pay me $25, pay me $50 and I'll make it happen. Again, think about things that people can do maybe, but they don't have the time or the know-how. The next thing you could do, and again, you're choosing one of these or one or two of these and running with it because you only have a few more hours left. Okay, you could offer last minute babysitting for a mom who needs a break. Last minute watching the kids for somebody who needs a break. And you would say to the person who's in their family, or maybe to them directly, because there's all kinds of moms, by the way. So there's all kinds of family constructs. You could say, hey, I got the kids for the evening, go out, have a good time, or go watch a movie by yourself, or do whatever. I got you, and this is my special rate for the day. And then you've made that extra money. Because I know I talk to you all every single day. I know that people can use $10, $50, $100 in a pinch. Okay, the next thing we're going to do, look, we're going fast, right? Because I want to get this video out to you. I want it to be short, and I want you to be able to start right now. Let me know in the comments if any of these sound right to you. You can always rewind and watch it again if you need me to slow down. And definitely subscribe if you want more videos, tips like this. The next one is you could be someone's declutterer. You can help them clean up their home. Now, you can help them clean their entire home, or here's an even cooler and even maybe more valuable leveraged way to do it. It's a certain section of their home, not the entire home, like a cleaning service. It's a certain section. Maybe it's the entryway. Maybe it's a certain bedroom or an office or something like that, or a kitchen area where it's just cluttered, and they would just make them feel so much nicer if it was just a little nicer, a little clearer for them. And it's not like they're gonna have to stress out about you going through their home and doing all kinds of stuff. You just declutter. Now, I would highly suggest that you do this as an offer for somebody to come to you, and you don't send a message to someone and say, hey, I'm going to declutter you, because they may take that personally. Okay, the next one you're going to do is, oh, and by the way, you can call that a home reset. A home reset is a good term for it. The next thing you could do is you're going to help if let's say the mother is a senior and they have a senior partner, and you're helping the senior partner, or a busy dad of any age, or a busy mom of any age, come on now, LGBTQ plus positive, you're helping the spouse or the partner set up the gift or a meal. So they're busy with the person, and you're doing it's sort of like the errand running, but it's also more strategic. So instead of them telling you what to go get, you're helping them. You're setting things up. You may even be doing some technical help. This is how you set up the Zoom, and this is how you have their daughter from college beaming in, and this is how you do different things, especially if it may be an older person. You could do that and offer to help them. And the next thing you can do is something. So remember, I have a bonus for, actually, I'm going to do the bonus. The last one I think is really like my favorite, I guess, but and the easiest, I think, maybe. But I'll do the ones that are for mothers themselves. So there's two, if there's more than two, but these two are going to be what I suggest to you. If you are a mother and you're wanting to make more money today, and you want to still have fun, what you could do is put up an offer pretty quickly, and you could sell a personalized advice session where you say, ask me anything about being a mother. And you pay me $30 or $50 for the hour. Think about how many people are not yet mothers, but would like advice. Think about how many people are pregnant and would like advice. Think about how many people have a 2-year-old and would like advice on a 5-year-old. Think through that, and you can actually offer advice on a call as a mother. And if you can specify it as a busy mother, as a mother who's a professional, as a mother who is a stay-at-home mom, as a mother who is in this state, etc., you could offer that. And you don't have to do the session today. This is your day to chill. You could put it up, have people buying it, and then you set it up a time. You can do this on Calendly or somewhere else. You could just follow up with them, and they set up a time in the next few days to have their call with you. Another option, if you are a mom, is to host a mom's night in virtually. So you could do this in person, but you probably would just do that with your friends, not charging them. But if you can do this virtually, you can say, look, we're having Mother's Day. That's for the family. On Tuesday or on next Friday or whatever, we're going to do a virtual Mother's Day in. It costs $10 to join, and it's just going to be an hour, 2 hours of us getting to say all the things we can't say elsewhere. We're going to vent. We're going to talk about the big things that we're building that are bigger than just our identity as a mom. All these types of themes or niches that you could have around this type of Mother's Day in. That's the type of thing. Now, the last one or the bonus one, I would say, because I said I gave you a lot of bonuses if you do the count. If you watch this again, I gave you more than I said I would. But the bonus one is a little meta because it's what I'm doing right now. You can create Mother's Day content and get paid by the platform you're on. So right now, this video on YouTube, which I love, love, love YouTube, I have this content and it will make money for me because people will view it and thank you for viewing it. YouTube will pay me for it. Now, you may not be monetized yet on YouTube, meaning you don't have 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours and you haven't gone through the process. If you are, think about, is there some sort of content you can put up if the day is still young for you where you are? If you don't have monetization, think about using YouTube to help promote the offer that I just described to you that you're going to choose. You can also think about Instagram pays you. There are other platforms that pay you to put content up. So it may not be this immediate thing that you can do because you may not be monetized on these platforms, but think through, are you monetized and is there content I can use to either get paid by the platform or to use this to promote? Speaking of that, you may be asking yourself, this is all well and good. I like one of these offers. Where do I post this? You can post it on Facebook. You can post it on your other socials like Instagram. I wouldn't recommend TikTok for it because it won't be, the conversions aren't as high and it's not as specialized, but some people do well on TikTok. You could do LinkedIn. You could do YouTube. What I would suggest is also like putting it out on my social, wherever my social is, right? If I spend a lot of time on Threads or Blue Sky or Instagram, I'm going to post this on Instagram because it's fun. You can take it down tomorrow if you want to, right? I also would recommend taking out your phone, looking through your contacts and seeing if there's anybody who might want this, because there may be somebody on the other side of that who desperately needs your help and they don't even realize it. Yes, they could go to DoorDash. Yes, they could go and get something delivered. But what if you give them those opportunities and those options yourself and you're there to catch their answer? That is how I would look at this. It's not a cash grab, as you see. It's not a ton of money. It's not a way to get over on anybody. It's just a fun way to celebrate Mother's Day, help someone else out, and get compensated for your skill and your time. I wish you good luck, and I wish you a happy Mother's Day.